I'm Lesley Parr and I'm the author of Fallout, which is a story about a boy called Marcus who's accused of something really bad that he didn't do. But everyone in the community thinks that he did because they think of him as the bad kid. Marcus, at the beginning of the story, lives up to that reputation until he meets Emma, a peace protester, and Mick, an old man who has built a nuclear bunker in his own back garden. The story's set in 1980, when the world was very afraid that nuclear war was going to happen. I'm just going to give you a little taste of what Marcus has to cope with at home and why he sometimes makes the bad choices initially that he does. Chapter 1, Pacifism is Weird. It was only meant to be a small explosion, not exactly a nuclear bomb. Mr. Mayfield can't take a joke, that's his problem. He said I did it because I'm bad. He said I did it for attention, but why would I do that? I get enough attention. People are always watching me in the street, at school, down the shops. That's what happens when you're a Pritchard. I did it for a laugh because it was funny to see Mr. Mayfield go that special shade of red he keeps for his top-level fury. And I did it to get a round of applause from the whole class. Well, almost the whole class. The swats were horrified and terrified. Suppose that's why I'm suspended. I head home to face the music, but Mum and Dad won't care about the suspension, just about the money to replace the broken equipment, because to them I really am bad, which is just how they want me. I am landed, as we say in Port Albert. That Fallout is shortlisted for Wales Book of the Year in the children's category. And if you read it, I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.